Welcome back. Harbor Freight, quality videos, lowest prices. Today we're going to do the best deals on Amazon, best tool deals on Amazon, and I actually will go into the price history on these. I always do this. Some of the videos I do, I won't show the price history recently, but I just want to make sure that everyone sees that these tools that I'm showing are at their best price, and at least you can see how the tracker works. I'll link the tracker in the description along with everything else, but we'll go ahead and jump right in. So here we have the KNIPEX tools, stainless steel, US angled electrician shears, 6 1/4 inch red and blue, $38.61 on Camel. They are showing a good deal. $38.61. So not their lowest price, but as you can tell from the graph, about 2 years, year and a half of history. The lowest they've ever been is $38.42, but they're at $38.61. So essentially the best price that they've been on Amazon, $38 for these impressive looking electrician shears. Next, we have this performance tool, 4-in-1 pocket screwdriver from Performance Tool. Solid brand for $2.84, 66% off for a pocket screwdriver, which is super handy to have at any time, any place. And for $2.84 from Performance Tool, they are super solid and a pretty big discount. $2.84 does show best price. Only been out since December, but it was $5 and went all the way up to $10, and right now it's down to $2.84. So definitely a really good deal on this pocket screwdriver, and it doesn't hurt to have a pocket screwdriver on hand. Next, another really good deal that I came across is the Greenworks 60V 13-inch cordless string trimmer and leaf blower combo kit. Comes with a 4-amp-hour battery and charger included for $164.99 for a 4-amp-hour battery and a charger and a blower and a string trimmer for only $165, 45% off. That seems like a ridiculous deal. I'm thinking about it. I need to find a tool brand for the lawn care to go into. My Honda mower just kind of kaput, and so I'm looking into Ego, Greenworks, Atlas from Harbor Freight. Atlas is what I'm leaning towards, but with a deal like this is pretty good. Anyways, $165, lowest price in 30 days. According to Camel, this has at least a year of history. It was at about $240 for most of the time that it's been out, went all the way up to $300. But even though it's been averaging about $240, it's down to $164.99. So a deep discount on this Greenworks trimmer and blower kit. Next, Irwin Tools. Single black oxide high-speed steel drill bit with aircraft extension, 6 inches, 31% off, $2.07, lowest price in 30 days. Does show best price on Camel. It's been all the way up to $16 before, but averages easy about $6. And it has dipped once before, but this has almost 10 years of history where it's been $6, so it is down to $2.07. So if you're in need of a single black oxide high-speed drill bit with aircraft extension, 6 inches, this is the time to get it. Next, GEARWRENCH. This is a limited time deal. 6-inch dipped handle slip joint plier, $10.60, 16% off. GEARWRENCH, of course, excellent brand quality, $10.60. Looks like this has about 3 years of history. It's basically never moved from the $13, but it is down to $10.60. So decent. I mean, compared relatively to the price, big discount, bigger than 16%, as it actually shows that it's normally about $13. So really decent deal on these GEARWRENCH hand slip joint pliers. Then we have some Diablos, a few deals going on Diablo, not just the ones that I'm going to show here, but a few deals on Diablo, different products. This is the Diablo Phillips drive bits with anti-slip tip for installing and removing fasteners. Impact strong, 1/4 inch hex shank, screwdriver head, 2-inch length, 15-pack, lowest price in 30 days. Says normally it's $14.31, 40% off essentially for $8.72 for some high quality bits. Diablo, obviously, of course, super high quality brand for $8.72. Let's look at the price history. Has about 2 to 3 years, about 3 years of history where these have always been at least $13, almost $14, and then looks like for Christmas they went on sale, and then now again at their lowest price on Amazon for just $8.72. Then we have some more blurry performance tool, cordless LED drop light with 1200 lumens. So it's one of those nice convenient hanging lights. 1200 lumens, obviously super bright. Magnetic bracket, lithium ion batteries, up to 2 hours of operation. Lowest price in 30 days, 17% off, $19.34. Looking at the price tracker, about 4 years of history. It's been as high as $50 when it came out. Averages about $35 more recently, around $25 to $30. And it is down to its lowest price on Amazon at $19.34. So pretty big discount on this performance tool LED drop light. Next, Makita. Always a big fan of Makita, especially when there's a sale on it. This is the Makita Jig Saw Blade 5-pack. 5-pack, made in Japan, 31% off. Lowest price in 30 days, $5.09. I don't have a Makita, but I feel like I have a Craftsman reciprocating saw. I don't know if this would fit it. It probably will. But $1 a blade for Makita, high carbon steel, high quality product, award winning. This is a steal of a deal here. But let's look at the price history. Over 10 years of history, these normally average about $13, $14. They've gone up as high as $16, but they're now on sale for $5.09. Hasn't been this low ever on Amazon. So really good deal. Next, we have this Crescent tool bag, 17-inch Tradesman closed, $50.67, 24% off. A high quality tool bag. Eventually, if you're moving around, even to have one for just your home storage, easy access to take around the house, super convenient, or your tools just end up everywhere. 24% off, $50.67. Let's look at the price history. And this has been out for about 2 years. Came out for about $150. It went down a little bit. It was down to $130. And then in the last year, it was averaging about $80. And now it's down to $50.67. So huge discount on this Crescent tool bag, 17-inch Tradesman closed bag. So it's not something water resistant polyester, maximum weight 500 pounds for $50. I mean, if you're in need of a quality one, this seems to be a direction to go. Really big discount for this nice tool bag. We continue. Freud Diablo 54-piece screwdriving set. Everyone knows Diablo, and if you don't, they are legitimate. Lowest price in 30 days, 20% off for $24.26. There's 54 pieces in this bit set. It's Diablo. So already they got me with a 20%. Excellent discount on these. Looking at the price history, it's about a year of history. They average over $30. Looks like there was a sale back in February, but now it's back on sale for $24.26. Lowest price on Amazon. Great deal. Next, some OEM Tools, 36-piece magnetic hex bit holder set, 4-pack. They're hex bit organizers, mounts to metal surfaces, non-marring hex bit storage, 16% off, $30.99. Storage is always super convenient. I like what they're doing here. Super convenient. Keep your tools organized and easy to access, easy to put away. According to the price history, this is the best price. About a year of history. Averages for most of the time about $47. So huge discount recently on these hex bit holders, down to $30.99. So really good deal. Next, moving on, more Diablo 7/8 inch by 17.5 inch auger bit, lowest price in 30 days, 27% off, $21.77. Price tracker is showing best price and about 3 years of history. Average normally over $30, but it is down to $21.77. More Diablo Carbide teeth hole saw, ideal for cutting wood, metal, plastic with precision and durability. 2 3/8 diameter. 4.5 inch diameter, 2 3/8 inch length, 25% off. Look at those. $36.42. Price history showing about 4 or 5 years of history, was at $67 for the longest time. And more recently has been averaging about $50, but it is all the way down to $36.42. Next, we have DeWalt Impact Connect PVC PEX cutter with brace bracket, $71.26, 19% off. Seems like a pretty good deal, but we'll verify with the price tracker. And this shows that it came out essentially at $120. It has about 2 years of history. Average then about $100. Maybe about $90 to $100, and now it's down to $68.99. And actually, I believe we just missed this because this is now up to $71.26. And the deals change that fast. So it's up $3. Not the best price that it's been at, but pretty close to it. I mean, take that with a grain of salt. Next, bundle of Metabo HPT 18-volt multi-volt cordless driver drill kit, multi-volt triple hammer, impact driver kit. There's a few things here. $228, showing 30% off. 2 batteries, 2 chargers, bag, case, 2 tools for $228. Amazon showing best price. About a year and a half of history where this averages. It's been averaging probably about $275. I mean, the average is here. Prices have been pretty variable, but $275 average has been down to this price. Looks like a year ago during Christmas and Black Friday, and it's been a year over since then, and it's back down to that price at $228. So best price on Amazon. Then we have the DeWalt 20 volt max cordless fiber cement shears, tool only, lowest price in 30 days, 24% off, $165 even, according to the price history. About 5 years of history, this tool has essentially stayed at $250, dipping down to about $220 a couple times, but now April 2025 is down to $165, lowest price on Amazon. And then move away from tools for just a minute. We have the Lego Creator 3-in-1 Mighty Dinosaur Toy Transformers, T-Rex to Triceratops Pterodactyl dinosaur figures, $9.59, 36% off. Dinosaurs obviously amazing. Legos fun with the kids. Showing best price on Amazon. This averages normally about $12. Gone up all the way to $15, but it's down to $9.59. And then we have the Chefman Iceman Mini Portable Black Professional Fridge, 12-ounce cans, limited time deal, 34% off, $26.50. Best price on Amazon. This thing averages about 6 years of history. Averages about $30, says here, but it's normally here, at least for most of the time that it's been on Amazon, probably about $40. And not till recently has it gone down, but right now it's at its lowest price at $26.50. So we will leave it at that. If you find this useful, please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I find some more deals, I will send them your way.